if all the numbers in a set are equal, what is the standard deviation? Okay, so if all the numbers in a set are equal, so you have a set of test scores. Say everybody gets 79 on the test. Say your whole class, everybody gets exactly 79. You might first off wonder if they're all cheating. But anyway, suppose all the scores are 79. So what would the standard deviation be? So this is really going at, if you understand what standard deviation is, it's typical distance from the middle, right? It's a measure of the spread outness of the data. It's the typical distance from the middle. So there's some average score, and then there's some people above it and below it, and standard deviation is the standard, the typical deviation, distance from the middle. It's the typical distance from the middle. So if all the data values are the very same score, they all are right on the average. So there's no spread out at all. Nobody's above or below the average. Everybody's right on the average. Again, they all cheated to get the exact same score. There's no way that could happen by coincidence. But anyway, they're all right on the average. And so what is the typical distance from the middle? It's 0. They're not away from the middle at all. They're right on the middle. Right on the middle. So they're just testing if you understand standard deviation. If you know what standard deviation is, you'll know if they're all the same values, the standard deviation, the average distance from the middle, is 0. Now, choose the correct answer below. To this question. If the standard deviation of a set of numbers is 0, so what if it is 0, like the one we just did? Must all the numbers be in the set be the same? Yeah. There's no other way you're going to get a 0 standard deviation. All the numbers must be equal. They must be the same.